Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We're gonna figure out, because you might have an issue, timeout issue with Instagram, and it may look like this. I don't have the issue right now, so I'm gonna show you a screenshot. So it can say error ingress timeout stream ID. So I'm having two ways to fix this. First of all is we're going to the App Store. It's over here, look for this icon, click on it. And you're gonna tap on the search button, and then you're gonna type in here Instagram. And what you're gonna look for is, click on Instagram, is for this blue button. And if this blue button says open, it means that your Instagram app has been updated and you have the latest version. If this blue button says update, it means you have to update the app. So if you need to update the app, update the app. And if you're still having the problem after that, we're having another solution. Go to your settings, so look for this icon over here, click on it. Then go scroll down till you see general over here, click on it, and then click on iPhone storage. So the iPhone storage is now loading. This may take a while, I think around 20 seconds most of the time. And after it's loaded, we're going to search for the Instagram app. And we're going to see some data. So we're just having to wait because it's going to be here. So here we are. We're going to scroll down to Instagram. And as you can see here, Instagram. Let's click on it. And here you see offload app. So what you're going to do now is click on offload app. I won't do this because I don't have the issue. And clicking on this, it means that it will clear the cache of Instagram and also reset some things. So just click on it, then download the Instagram app again through the App Store. And if all is well, you should not have any problems left. I hope this helps. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.